Okay, I'm pretty sure I got to it before it really messed up. I'm glad it threw the chain and got my attention. I didn't film the fun part over here, but thank God I bought these wrenches, and I'll show you what made this a whole lot more bearable. Let me grab the wrench. People that have been watching the channel for a while remember when I came home all excited with these ratchet wrench. You got a little thing here, does that. Well, this piece over here, belt's kind of in the way right now, but that right there was the tensioner for this belt on a pulley up there at the top, and it was a long threaded rod in a rather difficult location. All right, let's see if this picks up this noise I'm hearing. And then watch this. So hopefully some new bearings in there will take care of all that. Well, we're up to the part now where we got to figure out which one of these Allen wrenches fits Well, I stuck the camera up in there, but there's a Allen screw, set screw on that collar. Well, this just went sideways. The first hole I got into, there is no Allen screw in it. It's all boogered up. It was full of soybean trash. And the second one that I found, it's in an odd angle and I can't get in it because the bolts that are holding the sprocket on. So I'm gonna see if that sprocket comes off like I think it does. We'll find out in a minute. Okay, this is going to turn into a mess. Somehow, let's see, snap ring, that's the word for it. There's a snap ring still holding that up there, and it's behind that collar. There's no way to get that snap ring out until that collar comes off. And I'm not having any real good luck at getting at the set screws, and realizing trying to put a puller on that collar with that sprocket still on there is going to be really difficult. Okay, both those holes were boogered up bad. I got a set of left-handed twist drill bits, and I managed to successfully drill that boogered up Allen screw thingamabob out of there. And I put a pipe wrench on it and I turned it. I think I can actually go over there right now and take my hand and get it off. Let's go see. Success. All right. That's one of the where let's see if you hold it up there and you get it in the camera. That's where the boogered up set screw was at that was gone. And that's the one that I just successfully drilled out of the thing. Which means now I can do one of two things. I can go find a new piece like I'm holding in my hand, or I can drill and tap these so when I put it back on, it'll be right. All right, success. Everything's a fight, one thing at a time. You get there. Well, it's 11 o'clock, and I thought for sure when I got that collar off of there, I was going to see the snap ring, and I was going to remove the snap ring, and I was going to be able to slip that off. But that's not how this works. There is no snap ring that I can see. So that's got me majorly puzzled. Where is the snap ring? I've seen it in the exploded parts diagram. Am I supposed to put a puller on that sprocket and pull it and the outer bearing off, and there's a snap ring behind it? I don't know. But it's 11 o'clock and I got to go to work tomorrow, so I'll stare at the parts diagram a little bit more, and I just may have to call somebody and say, hey, where exactly is the snap ring? But anyhow, that's good progress for tonight, so let me get up my tools and get in the house.